Hey, it's me, Ethan, and today I'm going to be showing you an idea on one of my topics that I wanted to do for a long time. I call it the scale of the solar system. How am I going to do this? Well, you see, I have these planets right here. Yeah, I know. They're equal size. Well, one of them ain't equal. But still, you get what I mean. And I also have this handy-dandy solar system data thing that I made. Yes, I know, I made it. I'm sometimes a mathematician, okay? Deal with it. Now, there's 4 topics that I'm going to discuss about. That would include size, distance and size compared to size, and distance and size compared to distance, in that order. Starting with size. This is our friend, the Earth. Yep, the Earth right here. If the Earth was about this size, about 2 inches, then how big do you estimate the Sun would be? Spoiler alert, it would actually be a whopping 218 inches. Or, to record that for scale, I don't know, probably almost 20 feet tall. I mean, luckily, we got this that isn't as big. Hey, not really that much of a problem. Mercury. Hold on, let me just get these out. Just don't want them to run away. Now, Mercury would be about a third of the Earth's size. So, 0.6 inches. Venus, almost exactly the same. Probably just a little smaller. Just a little bitty bit. Mars is about half the Earth's size, which means it'd only be about an inch. For the record, this is an inch. So Mercury would be pretty small. Jupiter, on the other hand, would be pretty dang fat. Now, Jupiter is about 11 times the size of the Earth, meaning that if the Earth was 2 inches, this Jupiter would be around 2 feet. 2 feet. Huh? Anyways, Saturn, which I get, it don't have rings. It's about 10 to 9 times the size of the Earth, meaning it'd be about 19 inches. That seems more good. Uranus, on the other hand, is, as I estimated to be, around 4.5 Earths in diameter, meaning that it'd be about 9 inches. So, probably as big as my head. Neptune is slightly smaller than Uranus. It'd probably be around, maybe, again, 9 inches. Finally, our moon. Yes, I know, I saved it. The moon is about a fourth of the Earth's size, which means that it'd be about 0.5 inches. Actually, the moon is 2,159 miles and Mercury's around 3,030 miles. Well, hey, who's keeping count? Next up is distance, which I will cover. So here we are in the outside. I know the sun is so bright, but here, this is the sun, and this stump will be our starting point. Beep. Now I'm going to be measuring this in, if the solar system was about 90 feet. I know that looks like about 120 or so, but trust me, visualness isn't really that easy. Now, Mercury is about a third of an astronomical unit, or an astronomical unit is actually the length between the Earth and the Sun. So Mercury would be about 0.3 AU. And considering if an astronomical unit was about 3 feet, no, not those kind of feet, 12 inches, that means it would be about, 8 inches, 12 inches, no, that's 24, that'd be a full 2 feet. Yeah, it might be difficult, so it'll take a while. So we probably estimate about here. So this is around, it's 3 steps of 8 inches, which makes 2 feet. And this would be 2 feet 8. This mark right here, which I will cover with this leaf, will be an astronomical unit, or the place where Earth will be. So Mercury would be about here. Venus, on the other hand, would be a bit closer to Earth. So this is our solar system so far. We haven't compared it to size yet, or distance. Now next up is Mars. If I'm doing this correctly, Mars would be about here. And get ready for the wild part, because Jupiter, again, our far boy, would be very far. Now, so I forgot the moon, which here's a fun fact about the moon. It's 30 Earths away from Earth. So pretty far. Now Jupiter. If I'm comparing this correctly to, there we go, 3. That's about 4 feet. 6 feet. So then again, that's 2 astronomical units. I'm right now at 4 astronomical units and still not at Jupiter. And here is where Jupiter would be, at around 5 astronomical units, which is pretty big. See, that's Jupiter, and that's the inner solar system. Now right around this area, between 2.3 and 3.3 AU, astronomical units, is the asteroid belt. And we still haven't even gotten to the rest of the planets yet. So just imagine how far it could go. Right now, our next planet is Saturn. This is 5 AU. Then that's probably about 6 astronomical units. 8 astronomical units right now. At around 9.5 astronomical units. which is detrimentally long. Yeah, I know this video is getting long, but trust me, this is just scale. I'm wondering things, right? Oh, back's starting to get on the loose. Now this is Uranus, and you won't believe how far it is from the sun. Up. 1, 2, 3. That's 12 astronomical units. 14. 16. 18. And here it is, Uranus, at a whopping 19 astronomical units from the sun. And that yellow dot that looks like it has a black belt, that's Saturn. And now for Neptune. 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 'Here we are, Neptune. You're spotted at 30 astronomical units. Whoa, wow, wait. Can you see that stump? That's so far away. And now, it's a lot. So, imagine how crazy things are going to get once we go to distance and size compared to size. Let me get the rest of these planets here, you know? I mean, after all, these distances are incredibly far. Jupiter. And then there's our inner solar system friends. Mars. Earth and our moon. Venus. And Mercury with the sun. Boy, was it quite a long trip. Now we're going to head back to our shelter. It's getting cold out. Now, for this third topic, I shall talk about if, again, the Earth was that's Uranus. The Earth was still 2 inches, the same size. Then, as I'm reading, Mercury would be 4,534 Earths from the sun. That's in real life, too. So if I'm comparing this to 2 inches, that'd be 90, 68. That'd be 9,068 inches. Which is a lot. About maybe 800 feet. And then Venus is pretty much double that. Earth is about 11,728.4 Earths from the sun. So, it'd probably be about a mile away from the sun. Actually, I meant half a mile, who knows. Mars would be about, I don't know, 35,752. And that's in inches. So, things get bonkers once we reach Jupiter, which is probably about 4 times away, and then Saturn at double, and then Uranus at double again, and then Neptune at, a whopping 343,160 years from the Sun. Trust me, things get wild, okay? That's distance compared to size, which is astronomical. Now let's try distance and size, but compared to distance. So, let's get things ready, because we're taking things all the way to tiny. Yeah, you see, distance is quite a lot. I mean, it all is in the vastness of emptiness of space. But this will really put it to another level. And I mean another level. Hold on. Paper's going bonkers. So, where can I put it? Ah! This'll do it. Now, if I'm measuring things right, then the Sun, which is about 109 Earths, yeah, this is tiny. This thing will not even be bigger than a grain of sand. Now, if we divide 90 feet by 454,094 Earths, then we're going to get to a tiny, exponentially smaller scale. The Sun, I don't know, small. And everything else in that form will be small. And if you want to take a look at the scale again, hold on, then I will show you one more time. Check how ridiculously far the planets in distance are. Yes, I know, it's getting quite long and you're getting quite bored. Trust me, this video will soon be over. Now, let's go back to our stop. Here, I have the Sun. No, not that burning hot bright sun. This Sun. Then I have a Mercury. And just to tell you Earth's astronomical distance, 3, 2, will again be this far. This is Mercury. And this is Venus. This is the Moon, Earth's friend. And this is quite far. In reality, this would probably be about here. Yes, Mars is far. .5, 2 astronomical units. That's 4. And this would be number 5, Jupiter. That'd be 7. That'd be 9.5 astronomical units, you see? This is Saturn. This is everything else. That, with the red stripes, is Jupiter. Be 10. 12, 13, 16, 18. Here we are in a crevice of a hole. This is Uranus. 19 astronomical units. See those things over there? The inner solar system. And those that you barely see, these are other planets. Saturn and Jupiter. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Here is Neptune, your sons and daughters. And here's the rest of the solar system. Neptune, Uranus, where'd Saturn go? There it is! Now, do any of you spot Jupiter? If you're not, it's right there. So, now you know the scale of the solar system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like and subscribe too. See you soon! Bye!